Well, hallelujah. So I'll do a little close up of the display, but basically what we've got is the the whole kit and caboodle working. Now the code is ugly as well. It's pretty ugly, but and so that needs to be cleaned up. But yeah, so the encoder, the display, it's printing out data on the display. You can see that. It updates the display fairly well. I've got some delays in the main routine because when I was doing some debugging, so I could actually see what was going on. But yeah, it seems to be cycling nicely. There's a little bit of lag, but like I said, I can take some of the delays out of the main routine, and then it'll update. It's using a boxcar filter to filter the jitter coming out of the thing. I want to put some more digits of precision in there, but yeah, it actually is doing more or less what I want it to do. Now, the other problem that was causing me a confounding issue yesterday was the Zoetrope Labs code did not seem to be working. And I just did not expect that because, well, I just did not expect it. Anyways, so yeah, let's get a close-up of the display. So it registers button presses quite nicely. I don't know if you can hear the ticking, but it doesn't seem to be overcounting. I have to figure out why. Well, I know why. Because with every detent of the encoder, it actually is using quadrature encoding, so it measures quarter turns in the library, and I'll have to take a look at Paul's library to see if there's a way of turning that feature off or configuring the encoder so it's not reading so fast. But now, as we can see, they're decreasing the altitude, and I just need to update it faster, and then start working on printing out the display and cleaning up the code. But it looks like we've got something that's working. Oh, that's the other thing I have to do is I have to check to make sure that it's actually sending data to Sky Safari. Let's do that next. Because it was doing that before, and I haven't touched the code for doing that. So hopefully nothing is interfering with each other, and it'll all work as planned. And then also testing it from battery. But still, that's an improvement. Okay, now it's running off of battery, and I've sped up the update so it updates faster and then settles quicker. But really all it needs to do is settle in less time than it takes for the mechanical oscillations to dampen on the actual telescope. So don't have to get too crazy with engineering it to dampen quickly, because we've got probably a second of damping on the telescope anyways, or maybe a half a second. But yeah, so yeah, running off a battery. This is just a little charge module, so we'll plug that in to charge. This one's got the ancient large USB charge controller, but yeah, it'll have to do. I suppose I should probably think about giving it a better power switch than that, but that'll come in final design and when I get actually into a case and whatnot. But anyways, yeah, there it is. At least I have something that works for the meetup tomorrow, and we'll see how that goes. In any event, thanks for watching, and I've included a bit of footage at the end of me struggling with the Logic Analyzer and trying to figure out what the heck was going on, including some of the music that I was listening to. And yeah, and a shout out to the fine DJs at WFMU, because they provide a soundtrack that is amazing to stimulate creative juices. I love almost all of the shows on that station, and even the ones that I don't love, they're interesting too. Anyways, thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you later, and bye for now.